Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to assign or to remove a tag from a product using AdLister. Please log into AdLister and go to the Products page. On the Products page, you can highlight the products you want to add a tag to. Click on the Actions drop-down and select the Assign/Remove tags option. A pop-up window will appear with a drop-down and a few buttons. From the drop-down, select the desired tag and click on Assign Tag. You will be able to check the tag in the Products page under the Tags/Types column for each product. To remove a tag from a product, you will need to highlight that product again. Click on the Actions drop-down, select Assign/Remove Tags. From the drop-down, select the tag you want to remove, and click on Remove Selected Tag. After this, the tag will disappear from the product. I hope this video was useful in explaining how to create and apply tags to your products. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.